Hey guys, Arnold here. Literally, as I was preparing to set up this video, a new update for the watch came out. I've never had to update it. The style is new, but honestly I have no idea what else is new. So I guess this video turned into a update review. Well, I guess I'll just roll with what I was gonna plan for this video anyways. They didn't have any noticeable stuff that I see except for like the style. There are some stuff, but I'll get into that. So Black Friday is coming up, or already passed. Depends on when I finish editing this video. In which case, holiday sales may be coming up, and you might be in stores looking for one of these. Looking for some new, but old, but hecka stylish, and beautifully techy. Yeah, you might be looking for something like this. So this watch came out in November of 2016. Yeah, it's kind of old in the tech sense, but I've been wearing it almost every day for over a year now. And there wasn't much that disappointed me, even pairing with an Apple phone. So what I got here is the Samsung GEAR S3 Frontier, and I got it last year on Black Friday for $279, but with the new Samsung Galaxy Watch, it's probably much cheaper now. But I think it was worth every penny. So when you get the box, it comes with a small set of bands. Also comes with a wireless charging station. So this bad baby is running a Tizen operating system, which is different from all the Samsung products that they run a different operating system. The ecosystem, it's not like there's like a big old ecosystem that if you get this watch, you have to only use a Samsung phone or anything. I think you can connect it just fine with an iPhone. And I really do love the design. See this bezel? You can turn that so it can dial through everything. And I'm rocking the Urban Classic watch face. And I think it's got style over the Apple Watch. So that's a plus. Inside where apps are, you can use the bezel just circular motion because all your apps are in the circle. I think it's pretty dope. I think it's also much durable than an Apple Watch because an Apple Watch, your screen is just there in the open. But can you do this? Okay, I wouldn't recommend slamming on the table, but with this bezel, it kind of protects your screen because it's like a couple millimeters off the screen, so it can excellent protection. The build, so here it's also got great water life, but like I'm not gonna dunk this thing in water. I'm not gonna wear it when I'm swimming either, so I'm not gonna show you that. But here I think it lasts about like 30 minutes under a meter of water. So, battery life, sometimes this watch is no problem lasting like 2 days with no charge. I don't know what the market says it lasts. But other times I wake up and it's dead. I have no idea how. Now roll a montage of all the little things that this watch can do. I use it to check notifications on my phone if I'm too lazy to pull it out. Can play games on it. I connect Spotify on here so it can have Bluetooth headphones connected straight to it. You can use this watch wearing gloves by adjusting it in settings. You can read the news on it. You can check your calendar. You check your reminders. Watch YouTube with the app Zenuzu. Use it for fitness. What I think that this watch does better than the Apple Watch, I think of GEAR S3, is that it does a lot better job of focusing on fitness. So you used to be able to check your Samsung Health on the app, but I guess with the new update now you need to download a whole separate app. This new update is really throwing a wrench into my video. So let's download this Samsung Health app now. You can check your calories, steps, floors you've gone, amount of time exercised, heart rate, food, water, caffeine, 24-hour log. You said a lot of it you can have it so it turns on auto, but I just have it off since if I want to check my watch, I don't want to have it saying like 10-minute walk. Oh, you missed it, but it just S voice just popped up, doing this all usual thing, being useless. So there's a thing on here called S voice, but I've never had to use it, and it just pops up randomly, and it's just useless. Don't bother with it. So pairing with an iPhone, you're gonna go into Bluetooth, and there's gonna be two things that you're gonna need to connect to. This is to allow you to actually make calls on it. You're going to need to download this app. On the App Store, just look up Samsung GEAR S3. So since I'm running it on an iPhone, I can't Samsung Pay on it, but that's alright. I mean, I usually have my phone with me, like an Apple Pay. So now when your watch is not connected to Bluetooth, you can have it so that it connects to Wi-Fi, so it can do many of its capabilities just on Wi-Fi. And the style just kind of changed, and I don't really like it. So since the watch is updated, I can't show you what the style of the watch was before updated. So if you're in the market of getting a new one, it shouldn't bother you. But all in all, life with a smartwatch. Well, I think that just about does it for this video. I'm sorry if everything seems kind of choppy. With this new update, all my plans just went to shambles. So I guess I'll try to fix everything up in editing, but I have no idea how it's gonna look like. But hey, if you liked, do something about it. But seriously though, thanks for watching, and see you next time, whenever that is.